to a new video. My name is Mari. If you're new on my channel, I like to talk about family, fitness, and finances. Today, we're actually going to be talking about the 5 reasons why you need to start your YouTube channel today, okay? Like right now, like go start recording. Before we start, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It definitely helps out with my algorithm. As a small YouTuber, I'm trying to grow my channel. That's definitely my goal. So if you can help assist out by going ahead and click that like button before we get started, I would love you so much. Love you, love you, love you. The first reason why you need to start your YouTube channel today is because you've probably been thinking about it for a while. And when I say a while, like it's probably been a few weeks, a few years, a few months, like whatever. Like you've been thinking about it for a while. Like otherwise you wouldn't be here, right? And if it's something you really want to do, what's stopping you? Your job? Oh, okay, work around your job. Is it because you have kids? Do it when the kids are asleep. What other excuses do you have? You're tired? Take a nap. And then get started. This is something that you really want to do, so why not at least try it out? If it doesn't work out, that's fine, but at least it's something that you tried, you gave it a shot, you gave it full-on effort, and either it works out or it doesn't. But if you never start, then it's going to be something that it's always going to be a thought, you know? And that's the same thing for me. Like, starting my YouTube channel was never originally my idea. Like, I cannot take credit for me starting my YouTube channel. My former boss actually has instilled it in me for years. Like when I was 19 years old, which was 10 years ago, my boss told me like, D, go start your channel. Go start a YouTube channel. And for me, it never really clicked in my head like this was something that I wanted to do because I didn't really understand the YouTube world. I didn't realize how much work actually went into it, and I didn't realize how much you could get out of it, you know? And I also didn't realize that I would enjoy it as much as I do. Like it never, like, even though I watch YouTube videos and I've always watched YouTube videos for pretty much anything that I need, it didn't really click in my head like you can actually make a lifestyle for yourself just by making videos, you know? I've always been in communications. That has been my major. That's always been something I've been passionate about. I want to be a news reporter or a radio personality. One of the two I want to be a part of. And I didn't realize I could have started doing this a long time ago and probably would have been a lot further on by now if I had just started, you know? Like for me, I never really put 2 and 2 together like this could take me to where I want to go. And although I'm not there yet, I know that this is a starting point for me. And even if it doesn't take me to where it is I want to go, like at least I can say that I've done it. I scratched it off my bucket list and I got it done. And just by even starting, I discovered that I really enjoy making videos. Like I like recording. I love editing my videos. I love taking the time to put together my thumbnails and putting together something nice. Like even though like right now I'm such a small channel that I don't get a ton of views like other channels do, but I know that because of what I'm good at, one day I'm gonna get thousands of views on my channels, and that's just period. So for me, that was the reason why like I had always been thinking about it. And instead of keeping making excuses, I was like, you know what? Let's just start the channel. Okay, so another reason why you start your channel today is because you feel like you're not ready. And I know that might sound a little bit weird for me to say, but let me explain. If you keep waiting to be ready, you will never get started. And the reason why I say that is because I know from firsthand experience, like I never felt comfortable enough to jump in the camera for a couple of reasons. I'll tell you real quick. The first reason was because I felt like I didn't have the best equipment. You know, I feel like I didn't have a camera. Like I don't have all these tripods and lights and the setting. Like I'm recording in my kitchen right now. Like what am I doing? All these things kept running through my head and I was just like, you know what? I'm not gonna do it. When meanwhile, this works perfect. Another reason why is because I felt like I wanted to lose all my baby weight first before I got started. Like for me, I'm very self-conscious about the way I look. And because I just had a baby and I'm a little bit heavier than what I was before, I didn't feel comfortable enough getting in front of a camera. Like it just made me feel kind of depressed, you know, like looking at myself. But then I thought about it and I'm like, well, you know what? This is temporary. I know I'm gonna lose my baby weight. It's gonna take a little bit of time and that's okay. And then you guys get to watch me as I go along on my journey of losing all my baby weight. And it'll be great, you know? What? I am who I am, and either people are gonna love me or they're not, and that's fine. You know, this is something that I've always thought about, and like I said earlier, if I keep just thinking about it, it's never gonna become reality. Another great reason why you should start your channel is because chances are you're good at something, and it can literally be anything. Like, I guarantee you right now, if you type into Google how to knit a muffin basket, something is gonna pop up, right? And what I mean by that is, like, if you're interested in it, chances are somebody else is interested in it too, you know? So why not capitalize on that? Start making videos, start putting stuff out there, because you might be good at something that somebody else is not good at and they want to learn from you. You know what I mean? And then you're growing your own subscriber base based off of that. And while I am a new YouTuber myself, I'm still learning things from day to day. Just from the few videos I've got out already, I already got like over 100 views on all my videos. And while that might not seem like a lot, it really is, because there's some people that only get like 5 or 10 views, which is not bad too, because they're still getting them. That is that, you know, I've taken the time to really get to know my niche. I don't think I've really buckled down on a niche just yet, because I'm interested in so many different things. But I'm trying to figure out, you know, what my subscribers are really interested in, and then go from there. Okay, number 4, it is a creative outlet. And I don't know about y'all, but I work a pretty boring job to where I don't get any, like, I don't get any happiness out of it. You know, it brings me a paycheck, it takes care of my bills, it does what it needs to do, but it doesn't satisfy my creative yearning that I have. Okay, so number 5, it can become another source of income. So you have your job now, you're 9 to 5, or, you know, if you work overnight or if you work part-time, that's cool. But eventually this is gonna become your full-time income. You know, you might want to work your part-time on the side for whatever reason, but this is going to become your full-on income. I'm manifesting that for you, and I'm manifesting that for me. I want this to be my full-on income, so I'm going to keep doing what I need to do in order to get to that point. Right now, I'm not monetized, so I'm not making any money, but I'm going to get there, and I know I'm going to get there. That is a great reason to at least start your channel. And even if you don't get that out of it, at least you can at least say that you started and you tried, you know. And it's better to say, like, I tried and I failed, rather than I didn't try and I don't know what happened. A bonus tip: no one is going to do it like you. You put your own little razzle dazzle on whatever it is that you're passionate about, and somebody is going to like it. Somebody is going to enjoy your content. They're going to keep coming back for more. They're going to subscribe. They're going to ask you, hey, where you been, if you stop posting in a while, because they want to see more from you. Like, if you get started, like, I'm telling you, you will do good. Just by starting is the biggest step that you can even take with your channel. I keep saying it. I am a very small YouTube channel right now, and I'm looking to grow my followers. I'm looking to grow, you know, just in so many different ways. And I feel like just by doing this, it's helped me be more aware of myself, of, you know, the potential that I have, the aspirations that I have. This has really allowed me to take a step back and say, like, you know what, you have potential. You just need to make sure that you're applying it and putting it towards something, you know, whether that's finishing school, whether that's starting your own business, whether that's just getting a promotion at work, whatever it is. Like, this has helped me really focus and channel myself and make me more aware, like, hey, you know what, Bari, you have what it takes to be successful. You have all the pieces, you have all the pieces to the puzzle. You just need to be able to put it together. And that's why I'm so grateful for starting my channel. For more great videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I know it's been a while, but your girl is back and better. I just can't wait to do more videos, and I'm so grateful for you watching. Thank you for coming to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Oh, before you go ahead and leave in the comments your favorite color, okay?